Welcome back to Bunter's Yard. This is going to be a mini sort of walk around review of the Class 20 from Hornby. Now, to justify the title, I'm going to need to unbox it. Some people like to see that sort of thing, so certainly that's what we're going to do. Now, this is a Railroad Plus model, so not particularly expensive in the great scheme of things. And this is what they call enhanced livery. You can see that at the end there. And this particular model is DCC ready. So let's just pop it out of the box, and that gets that bit of the contract out of the way. Now, I've opened this already just to have a quick look around. Pops it back as it was. Now it comes. There's no extra detail. There's no detail pack in the box. Everything is already fitted. First thing I noticed when I took it out, it's quite a heavy unit. This weighs in at 333.1 grams according to my scales. That's fitted with NEM pockets, front and rear. The buffers are just plain plastic, they're not sprung load or anything like that. Now, this particular one is 20901. Which often would be seen with its companion 20905, and they're slightly different models. This one, the 01, was produced in 1959, so it's quite an old vehicle, and the 905 would have been produced about 9 or 10 years later, but they would often run together in a consist, like a double header. So I've just ordered 20905, which is now on back order from Hornby, sometime in May, I think. Now, this particular one, the earlier model, doesn't have the light on the front as the 905 does, which a lot of people don't like because it's a bit oversized. It doesn't have a light on the back either on this one, although if you look at the real prototype, it would have a lamp on the front or the back, depending on which direction it goes, I guess. So these would generally run backwards because there's better visibility from the back, and if they're a double header, they are sort of nose together. Now, being enhanced livery, this got the rails separately fitted. These are plastic rails, but they're actually they're not that bad actually. They look okay, and it's got some extra detail, probably the some extra decals around. So let's have a look on the inside. Now, to get the body off, we just need to take the buffers off, just pull them out. They just sort of kind of clip in. Don't need any particular tools. And then just lay the body apart, and that would just then pop off. And you can see the two little clips at the bottom that hold the body in place. And it's got a 3-pole motor. I haven't run this on the track just yet. I've literally just opened it today, but I will fit a DCC chip before I run it, and when I do that, I'll put it on another video, probably after it's weathered as well. This just takes a normal 8-pin chip, and you can see there's like a universal joint that goes into the front driving wheels there. Let's pop that back into place for now, and to put the body back on, only go on one way. The chassis is made slightly different one end to another. You can see just on the right there where the cab goes, there's like that bit that pops out, and there's probably room inside, I would have thought, to get a speaker and maybe a sound chip. So I'm going to have a look at that probably when I've got its brother 20905. Probably do one or both of those with sound. So body back in, we just clip the body back on, push the buffers back into place, and that locks the whole thing off. There's been a bit of discussion on social media regarding the blue of these Hornby rail freight locos. It's probably a little bit pricey if you compare it against pictures of the real thing, they're probably a little bit darker. Maybe a lot of that's to do with the age, I don't know, but I'm sure with a dark wash on this, I've seen other modelers have done that already. A dark wash all over would desaturate the blue, and then not too mad on the weathering on this one. Some of the pictures I've seen, it's just nicely weathered. It's not really a proper grimy Bunter's Yard type of weathering. So I'm looking forward to getting this one and the 20905 running double header on the layout, and weathering this one as well. So when we get the weathering going, I'll come back and I'll show you that video. Until then, just a few more images that you can have a little look at. Please do subscribe to the channel if you've not already done so, and hopefully we'll see you next time. Thanks for your time today. We'll see you soon. Bye for now.